Alright, so what do we actually get in the box? So we get these whatchamacallem, Samsung, not Samsung, but Samsung Gonna be Fold SR350s. Yeah, first impressions, they look cheap. Look very cheap. Yeah, we'll take a look at that later. One thing at a time, am I right? What else do we get? We get a single keyboard stand. And I'll put the link in the description, how much it costed, what type of bundle I got, blah blah blah, you know, the usual. Boom shakalaka. Alright. Comes in a couple different pieces. Guess we'll assemble it. And last but not least, the piano. Yeah, it's big. I will take it out, I guess. There we go. Last but not least, the piano. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Like I said, Cassio CTK-3500. 400 tones. 100 rhythms. Dance music mode. Connect to your apps. I want to test that out. And yeah, MIDI. So that'd be pretty cool to test out. I'm gonna need to find a cable. But yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Take it out of the box, set it up, and I will be right back. Not gonna lie, guys, I was kind of lost on how to set the legs up. Little do I know, bolts are on the let it focus. Are on the actual leg. I was bamboozled. I'm like, where are the screws? So I'll get this set up, and I will get back to it. I spent way too much time setting that up. I kind of messed it up a couple times because where the keyboard actually goes, they're a lot smaller over here, whoops, than the actual legs. And to add insult to injury, you guys see how this is one's farther than the other, the bolts? Yeah, I think you get the picture. Let's just say I messed it up. Anyway, okay, enough of that. So we're gonna put this piano, keyboard, teclado, whatever you want to call it, over here. Yeah, gotta move some stuff around. You always need a pen in your room. Let's see what we got. All right. Trusty knife. Open up all this gosh darn tape. Alright, I'm an idiot. Guess what? I'm opening the wrong stuff. There we go. Damn, so close. Alright, are you guys ready? Alright, so here's the piano. Useless information, we all know that. Whoops, there was something in there. I can't pick it out, guys. Here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. AC adapter taped up like no tomorrow. Very important, we're gonna need that. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Ta-da, it's backwards, alright. Here we go, moment of actual truth. Ooh, so shiny, so pretty. Beautiful, I like it. Alright, let's set it up and let's play some tunes. Alright guys, real quick just to show you, I want to show you the ports. We have the MIDI key, which is a printer USB. That thingamabob, I do not know what it is. Oh, that's for your pedal, that's what that is. That is output. Yeah, that is AC adapter, and that's audio in, so you can plug in your phone. So let's finish setting up this bad boy. Get to it. Whoosh. Now, your boy does not know how to play piano at all. Like, he barely knows this to C. That's all I know. However, I did spend the last day, because this is a new day. I practiced 2 songs, or the beginning of 2 songs, just so you can get a sound test. All right, here we go. Like I said, I'm new. Let's try that again. That's all your boy knows. What'd I say? That's all your boy knows. There we go. Alright. So this piano does have different tones, you know. So there's your standard piano. You go to the arrows to move them one by one. Grand piano. You know. You get the idea. You got a whole bunch of styles. You have 400 tones, so let's try 0, 4, 5. That's an organ. You know, 0, 9, 8. We have a harp. You got tempo, which tempo, I don't know. But here's what I like. You go to function, and on the side over here, you can choose up or down. So where's middle C? So this is middle C, right? We go down. I broke it. All right. Let's go to our regular grand piano. Function again. Transition. If we go down 12, that drops a whole octave. We go back up 12. We're on regular middle C. And we can go up 12. Go back to the middle C. Function again, we got a whole bunch of settings, but what I was looking at is there is one where there's sensitivity touch. So if we turn that off, no matter how soft you touch, it will always play the same note. We do level 1. There is a level 2. That's pretty cool. We click again, we have reverb, so You hear that little echo at the end? We turn that all the way down. As soon as you let go, it stops playing. We turn that all the way up. It sounds magical. Now with that being said, let's see how those same songs sound with level 2 touch and reverb max. I think I sound like a pro. All right.